Use Soundpad on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily use Soundpad on Discord. So if you haven't already, just make sure you have successfully downloaded the Soundpad application, and once you download it, just open this. So it basically allows you to use different sound option include your different sound option into your chat, voice chat. So once you're inside here, just tap on this file button and simply tap on this preference option. And once you're inside here, just hover over to your devices section if you haven't already, and just make sure you have selected the correct microphone option. And once you are good with that, just come over to your Discord application. And once you're inside your Discord application, just click on your profile icon or user settings. Once you tap on user settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the option called voice and video. And inside here, once again, scroll all the way down and you have to disable this option, echo cancellation, and make sure your noise suppression option is selected to none. And the main thing is, under this input device, just make sure you have selected the correct audio which you are selecting on the sound pad device as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.